Magic vs. Northwind Solo, both in the sitting position. I actually have a foot brace that I'm gonna put in here that my friend John made me for this situation of my Northwind Solo, which I normally use kneeling. But this will be a great comparison today. All right, we're down here on the river again, 2 in 1 week. Got the red truck going, and this is pretty cool because there's nobody here for one. And then I just brought a bunch of different canoe paddles today to try out. So we're gonna not only be experimenting between the Northwind Solo and the Magic in a sitting position, but we're gonna be playing around with different paddles. So we've got the red truck all unloaded here and a variety of different fun paddles to take out. And another perfect day on the water. Thanks for joining, here we go. So I usually have my Northwind Solo set up in the higher position, but my friend here, Ray, today, that's gonna be paddling, wants to sit in this. And so I grabbed the 4-inch sitting drops, but one of the things I had to do a little bit is because E6 is just a little bit thicker than the wood, I ended up having to trim those drops just a little bit to get the bolts to fit. So something to be aware of if you have an E6 boat and you're changing to a lower position from a high position. I've got the Cook Custom Sewing's basic seat pad in that one, and then the one with saddlebags in this one. What do you weigh about, Ray?
I weigh about 200. Time, yeah, in both of them. And you know, by the end of the session that day, the demo session, the position of the seat wasn't that big of an issue. I mean, I got sort of my equilibrium or whatever, and so it didn't feel as tippy as it did that first time I got in it. Have to get the right angle. I don't have it. Is there camping anywhere close to this?
On river?
Well, yeah, like where we put in, or that, you know, somewhere between here and the highway.
I guess what about you can camp. Customers. He's a good guy.
Yep.
There we go. Nice.
That's bringing in people from all these other departments. That was a very good project.
So you had to be efficient as heck, huh?
You
That,
bet.
that was like your special.
On time and the baseball thing is not really, I haven't really gotten it, but I think I'm doing a little.
Yeah, so like I'm watching myself in the camera and I'm watching my life jacket.
Yep.
And there's that box that's created.
So you're preloading yourself.
Getting surfed.
done paddle Oregon recently or at all?
Well, I mostly paddle a Northwind Solo in the kneeling position, but we put it in the lower position. And at first felt a little awkward to me because I felt like sunken into the boat. But I kind of just adapted. I put this foot brace in it. This is my little like thwart mount clamp on foot brace my friend John made me. And I'm really kind of enjoying this sitting position. You know, I just adapt to the boat, use more of a bent shaft paddle today and sit and kind of employ sit and switch strokes and get my legs really working for me off the foot brace. Having fun. So there's no bad way to do it. Just kind of adapt to what you have. For straight ahead glide and efficiency, Ray decided that the Magic Blacklight wood with aluminum foot brace was going to be his choice.